At least 40 people feared dead as a bus carrying 49 passengers caught fire in Mehboob Nagar near Hyderabad early this morning. The fuel tank of the bus reportedly burst, which led to the fire. The bus tried to overtake another vehicle when its diesel tank hit a culvert. Now, according to sources, the incident happened at about 5 o'clock this morning when most passengers were actually asleep in the bus. Now, most of the passengers got trapped inside the AC Volvo bus, which has sealed windows, and reports say a few of them did manage to escape. Now, the bus was coming to Hyderabad from Bangalore, and many young people coming home for the festival season as well, we are told, are dead.
We are standing here outside the Hyderabad office of Jabbar Travels. As you can see, the Travels office in fact has not opened, presumably because huge numbers of people who are angry, who are very concerned, who are worried are coming to this place to try and inquire. Many of these people, police has also been in fact deployed here early this morning, even as a bus was coming from Bangalore to Hyderabad. That's when this accident took place at around 5 this morning in fact, and the bus apparently was trying to overtake another bus, and that's when the diesel tank seems to have hit a culvert and it has caught fire. At least 49 people, we are told, were traveling in this particular bus. In fact, we have this list in front of me which gives the entire list of the people who were traveling in this particular bus. This is all the reserved confirmed list, but there are also people who were on that bus who were not on this reservation list as well. In fact, we have been meeting some of those people who are trying to inquire about what really happened to the person who was traveling with them. We just, in fact, I just met a woman there. That's the lady who was looking for her son who was traveling on this bus from Bangalore to Hyderabad, and she's not able to get in touch with him, and she is concerned about what really has happened. क्या आपने इंक्वायरी की पुलिस से, ट्रैवल से पूछा, क्या बोले वो लोग? आपके बेटे ट्रैवल कर रहे थे क्या?
हमको तो नहीं मालूम। रात के 10 बजे बच्चा फोन कराया, 2-4 दिन पहला चले गया सो बच्चा बेंगलुरु को, फिर भी आज 4 दिन उधर ये है कि बोल को रजा है बोल के आता है बच्चा।
आएगा आप खबर अभी मिल जाएगी, आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए तब तक। Obviously, so many concerned families, they need to get the information about their dear ones. This is also festival season, and many of those people were traveling from Bangalore back to Hyderabad to spend the festival weekend with their family. Many of these people, along with the phone numbers and their age is mentioned here, many of them young people. Many of them actually did not stand a chance because it was an air-conditioned bus, and because it was very early hours, they were all sleeping, and there was no way to get out of that bus. The trap that bus would have been, a smoke trap that it would have been, and many of them in fact charred to death. The 4 or 5 who managed to escape broke the windows, we are told, and managed to get out of the bus. They have been admitted to Vanaparthi hospital, but for the rest, it has been a very tragic end.